Hey everyone, and welcome to this week's Refurb Wednesdays. We're doing a key collection, so we've just picked up the keys for this property and we're about to start refurbishment on it. So let's jump inside and let's see what it looks like before we get started with the actual works. Okay, so what we're doing in this property, we're actually converting this as 5 bedrooms with 5 en suites, okay? We're actually converting next door as well. So that's a little bit further ahead on this property. We completed on that about 6 weeks ago-ish, so we're quite far ahead on that. What is going to happen, this chimney stack out here needs to come out, okay? In order for us to create the space that we need, it has to go out. What we will be doing in this room is we will be creating a large 1-bedroom with ensuite here, okay? We are going to be keeping the stairs in the center of the property. Okay, we'll be doing this very strategically to create as much space as possible, but everything in this property has to come out. So everything that you see right now, all the way to the bricks behind the plaster, needs to come out, and we'll just have literally 4 walls and a actual 4 walls and a roof. If you haven't checked out what next door looked like previously before, then click up here and you'll be able to see what progress we've actually made on that project. So chimney stack has to come out here as well. As I said, the walls over there. Now what we are going to be doing is we're going to be opening this up here so we can create a large kitchen communal area. So the communal area will be over here and the kitchen will just be focused all the way down the actual property over here as well. So this kitchen is all coming out. This is going to be opened up as well. We've got the bathroom into the rear of the property here. Okay, so we will be making sure that we come all the way and utilize all this space, which is really important, okay? So we can get the floor space that we need and make sure that the property is still a livable state, okay? We don't want to be just putting rooms in for the sake of putting rooms in. We want the property to be livable, so people are not too on top of each other. That's really important, okay? So let's jump upstairs and let's have a look at what we're going to be doing up there. Okay, so we're at the back of the property at the moment, bedroom number 2. So what we're going to be doing in this room is we're going to be stripping everything out, okay? Unfortunately, beautiful pink has to go, but we're going to have to break down these walls. We're actually taking everything out of this property as mentioned. So this is a brick wall, so it's going to have to come down. What we're going to actually do is take everything out in here, lower the ceilings. So the ceilings at the moment are about 3 meters high. I'm going to bring that down to about 2.4 meters, okay? So we can actually increase the headroom height in the loft, all right? So this is going to be 5 bedrooms with 5 en suites. Now coming into the center, we're going to be keeping this sort of space here anyway, so we're going to be having stairs coming up here. We're going to be very strategic on how we do that. So the ensuite will be on this side of the property, but then we'll have stairs going up into the loft space, and the ensuite will be on that side as well. So we're going to open up this property and it's going to look massively different, okay? The key things that we are going to have to do we have to take out all chimney stacks, okay? In order to create the space that we require to put the ensuite in. So these are quite big rooms already, which is great. So even if we decided to maybe just do a 4-bedroom ensuite, it would work quite well. But what we have to do is take this chimney stack out all the way up into the loft, because we are going into the loft to create 2 extra bedrooms. It's going to be a lot easier for us to create extra space by taking these out as well, okay? So that's pretty much it for this video for this week's Refurb Wednesdays. If you guys want to profit from UK property, then head to jenicproperty.com where you can book in a free call with one of our teams, and we look forward to speaking to you soon. Make sure that you hit the actual subscribe button and also the notification bell as well for future videos. And I'll see you next week's Refurb Wednesdays.